Hi, I'm Jean Lawrence, CMO of Nokia Cloud and Network Services. So voice is the most natural form of human communication, and it's the heart of the telecommunications industry. And with all of the exciting new developments in our industry as we move into cloud gaming, remote surgery, industrial IoT, all of the services of the future still will include the important component of voice. And for this reason, Nokia has a long-term and deep commitment to innovation in IMS Voice Core. We have been ranked as a leader by a number of analyst firms around the world, and we're really delighted that so many customers have chosen our IMS Voice Core. This comes from our existing customers who are choosing to trust us and invest further in expanding their platform, as well as a number of customers who have chosen to swap out their competitors in favor of Nokia because of our long-term commitment. So what are some of the things that make our IMS Core really stand out and be special in the market? The first is that we are entirely cloud native. We have architected our full IMS suite to be cloud native and to run together with 5G Core on any cloud, whether it's public, private, or hybrid. And this cloud native architecture is what lays the foundation for a very high degree of automation. So from planning through implementation through ongoing operations and upgrades, we have made it very easy for you as our customers to run these networks in a highly automated fashion, which saves you time, complexity, and operating expense. Something else that we have that's very unique is what we call our Cloud Native Communication Suite, which includes the full IMS package in a single CNF. So it's easy to deploy, it's easy to manage, it's easy to upgrade. And this is something that requires less hardware footprint and is therefore operationally more efficient. And a number of customers around the world have really embraced this innovation from Nokia. Also, we take a very open approach to our IMS Voice Core. We expose the APIs so that it's easy for developers using our Network as Code platform to create many new applications and innovations that take advantage of the underlying voice capabilities. So these are some of the things that really make Nokia IMS Voice Core very special and differentiated in the market. So voice remains a super important part of our industry and to any service provider's business. It is one of the key determinants in how customers feel about any service provider. If they have a reliable and a resilient voice experience, that is how customers perceive a service provider, and it has a big impact on churn. We all remember the commercials from a few years ago, "Can you hear me now?" And that all depends on having a great customer experience with a strong voice. It's also important for the financial prosperity of service providers to have a highly efficient voice core that is very modern and runs with a low OpEx, therefore positively impacting the P&L of a voice business. And it's also really important to future-proof a voice business so that with whatever regulations are coming, that you have a very resilient and modernized voice core to take you into the future. So it's a really important part of any service provider's business, and Nokia is really proud to deliver this important IMS Voice Core. So today we have billions of customers all around the world, billions of people who rely on voice every day to communicate with their colleagues, their customers, their friends, and their family. And we're really delighted to enable that through you, our service provider customers, to really have a positive impact on communications all around the world. There's never been a better time to invest in a modernized, streamlined IMS Voice Core platform. The possibilities are endless. With a modern platform, you can connect your voice core to the broader digital ecosystem through Network as Code and imagine all kinds of new applications that monetize your voice investment and create exciting new services for your customers. Scan here to learn more.